November 23rd, 2013. These are Earth-facing images of the SDO. The large sunspot we've been watching is moving to the right of the sun and facing Ison. I'll show you the flux chart here out of Boulder. You can see we have not had another X-flare, guys, but you see starting on the 23rd, the intensity, the number of events has picked up. See that? And it's showing up too on the SDO image here. The large sunspot is what you're seeing flaring. There's one also that comes off the lower group here. But that one is, to me, is recognizing Ison. Now again, we're fortunate because Ison got stripped back. But this is telling me that it's starting to pick up some electrical energy, and the sun is recognizing it. Remember, we have a couple other comets in this area, but none of them are diving toward the sun except Ison. Here's the large hole. Notice nothing is listed as triple configuration for X-flares. Now listen, this is Bruce Gary's last post 2 days ago. This was after that was stripped back. Haven't heard anything else. I hope he's okay. Maybe just taking a weekend off. But it's showing a 60,000 kilometer inner Coma. See that? Now, that's 37,282 miles. You see, that's basically four times the width of Earth. Now, these are new images. The inner Coma that you see is not that entire cloud. That was much larger. It got stripped back, but it's trying to rebuild it. But it's going to be harder because it's increasing in speed each day. And that solar stream that's peeling back against it wants to keep it streamlined. They noticed this before as it started to pick up speed before it got so bright. But guys, this thing is breaking apart. Look at this. What's happened is we're now able to get a couple shots of inside without that brightness. Remember, it was so bright you couldn't see it. But look at this, guys. I'm not even having to dim this down to where it took the glare out. These are the way they're coming in. Now, I did go through some temperature changes. But, guys, we've got 1, 2, 3 sections in there. That center section is large. Now, I think this is very similar to some of the images that I was showing before Ison brightened back a couple months ago. It looks very similar. That's a large object right in the center. In the back, it's hard to tell because we're getting zero information. Guys, but they have the technology to do this. And it's an infrared radar system. It's not a visual telescope, but they can picture these big asteroids coming in with this infrared. But everything's gone silent the last couple of days. It's a heads up. We will be watching this. You guys be safe.